Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the Carson MicroMini 20x LED lighted pocket microscope with built-in UV and LED flashlight in the vibrant orange color. This microscope is not only easy to use, but is also extremely lightweight, portable, and compact, making it the perfect tool for all your on-the-go exploring. With a magnification power of 20x, this microscope is great for multiple hobbies, tasks, learning, and exploration. It's the ideal educational field microscope for kids, students, and professionals alike. The built-in standalone UV and LED flashlight, combined with the additional LED light, ensures that you have the perfect lighting for every situation. The extremely smooth focusing knob allows for precise and detailed observation, and with dimensions of only 1.5 inches by 1.0 inch by 1.6 inches, it's easy to carry with you wherever you go. Plus, it runs on 3G 12-button cell batteries, which are included with the Microscope. The MicroMini is available in orange, blue, and green color options, so you can choose the one that best fits your style. If you're ready to take your exploration to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the Carson MicroMini 20x LED lighted pocket microscope. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.